Good morning. So you can see the house is coming on. Great, all the pipes are going in. This is for the pipeline. You can see that the road has come up. They've had to, this is all infill to get the levels correct for your drive. Okay. The soil's coming in for the garden. You can see the slope is all different here. Right. Steps are all going in. All the pipes and stuff. These aren't going in here, by the way. These have just been placed here. So that's the. There's all the plumbing for the swimming pool. This is going to all be for planted with the flowers and stuff. And they're polishing the floor up again. As you can see, the seating area, pool, the terrace. Everything's good. The gang are all here. Pool, looking beautiful. So it's really starting to take shape now. Floors are being polished. Let me just show you down here. We've still got to do some work and stuff to here, because this is where the solar system is going under here. So we've still got to do a bit of work here. Got to level up so it's all good. Okay. Carlos, how are you? Sol, how are you? Hola, hola. So it's polishing the floors. Need a lot of water.